Hello there, friends. Danny here of Danny's Dreams. And today we are going to put together the card from the coloring from yesterday. Everything will be linked in the description box below. This is not my original design for this card, so I have linked below the video I watched where I got the idea, and this is just kind of like my interpretation of this card. It's called a Dutch store card. And yeah, I tried to get the measurements down there. I am not a real measurement kind of gal, so did it the best of my ability. And I hope that you will come on over and play along with the Not Too Shabby April Color Challenge. There's still like a week left. And yeah, everything, like I said, is linked below. So let's get started. So this is for the Not Too Shabby April Color Challenge. Thought that this was just kind of a neat, lots of different colors, and then the strawberries and stuff, which plays along nicely if you got the April 2022 box of the month, or if you got the stamp and die of the month, which is what I colored yesterday and which is what we'll be using. So again, this is for the Not Too Shabby April Color Challenge. This is the stamp set that I used. It is, at the time of making this video, which is April 23rd, there were still some available. It is super duper cute. I strongly suggest you run on over and get it. I did get it with the dies. I love Not Too Shabby's dies with her stamp sets because they cut out the sentiments and things like that. So this is I Pick You. Cute gnomes with the strawberries and just super, super cute and fun. And again, I colored everything yesterday, so that video is linked below as well. And then I used this paper pad from the box of the month. This is so refreshing. I love this paper pad. I can't wait to use it more. Makes me regret that I did not pick up some strawberry lemonade when I was at the store today. Might have to remedy that. Anyways, this is the paper pad that I used. I did get the idea for this when I played along with a craft roulette. I don't remember which episode it was, but it was to make a Dutch door, and this is the card I made for that. And so it opens up like that, and it's a 5x7 size, which was a new size for me. And so it was super fun, and I know I had a couple people ask, well, how did you do that? So today I'm gonna show you. To save some time, and also to save my images from being stolen from Alyssa, I already have them adhered to the paper so that it's easy to just get those on there. And I have that background piece that'll go on the inside ready to go as well. I did use some Craft and Kimmy inks on this. I used the Sandy Shores and the Ruby Red. And then let's get started. So you're gonna start with an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper. I already cut mine. You're gonna cut it so you have a 5 by 11 sheet. So this is 5 by 11. And you want to save this piece here. And so I just had my little stylo. There it is. The first thing you're going to do is you're just going to score this at 7 inches. So that's right there. And we're just gonna score that at 7 inches. And I'll set that to the side. I'm gonna get out my trimmer. And with this piece here, we want to make this be 10 inches long. Sorry, it's kind of a hot mess here. My little area, it isn't quite big enough, but so this piece, you want to leave it the same width, but we want it to be 10 inches long. And then we're going to bring that score board back in. And we're just going to score it at 2.5 and 7.5. So 2.5 and 7.5. All right, put that to the side. All right, then I'm going to go ahead and fold and crease those. my bone folder. This card is so easy to make and it's so fun. And then we can start putting the card together. Easy peasy. So you're just going to adhere this piece to the base there. I'm just going to use my ATG. Hopefully it doesn't run out soon. All right, I just kind of line it up. And make sure that you get it at the bottom there. Line it up. There we go. So there, you basically have your card already. And then I always like to decorate the inside of my card. Like I said, I just took that one of the strawberries from that set and stamped around the outside. I'm going to go ahead and put that on the inside there. Oh, my ATG is being tricky, of course. There we go. Do one down the middle just because it's being silly today. And I'm going to put it like this. And then I did cut a strip of that pattern paper to put across the top there. So it can just go right there. All right. Like I said, super easy card, but a super fun fold. And like I said, I did already get all of these ready to go, also to save it so that Alyssa wouldn't grab it. And so we're just going to adhere those. I did pop those gnomes up on some dimensionals so that they have just a little bit of dimension to them. And I did the sign as well. And I did stamp the sentiment, "Always be sweet," onto the sign. Oh, might be able to make it here. Just like that. And then we'll add this final piece. Come on, ATG, make it through. Yes, look at that. So close to running out. We did awesome there. All right, and so this one's gonna go on this side. So again, that is like the most easy card to create, but it's fun. It's a fun fold. This stamp set is a must-have. Always be sweet, if you can see that. And there's my finished card. And it's a Dutch door card, easy to make, 5 by 7, which is a fun size to work with. You have lots of real estate to put things on. Kind of feel that I should have waited and put that sign down just a little bit, but I think it's fine. So there is my card today. Again, super fun. If you create one, I would love to see it. Tag me on Instagram, I'm Danny's Dreams, or leave me a comment so I can see it. Love to see it. And I hope that you will come on over and play along with the Not Too Shabby April Color Challenge. And again, everything is listed below. If you have any questions, be sure to let me know. And I will be back real soon with some more videos. I'm kind of on a roll, so hopefully I can keep that going. Thanks so much for stopping by and have an amazing day.